Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn what is Format Painter and how to use it. In Excel sheet, you will find one tool, Format Painter. First, learn what is Format Painter. See here, see this sheet. Here I have one cell. In this cell, I have typed this text, and this text is of different format. Okay, then compared to other text in this sheet. Okay, so if you want to use the same format of this cell to other one cell or more than one cell, yes, you can use Format Painter. Okay, so whatever format is available for this cell, that format will be applied to other cells. Okay, format means text and text type, boldness, how much its size. Okay, see here, I select this cell. I select this hello, how are you, this cell, and see here, this cell contains this font, and size is 20. Okay, compare other see here, I select this one. Well done. And see here, this is of a different one, but also its color, this color is red and others are black. So if you want to use the same exact format of this cell to other cell, you can use Format Painter. Okay, so you can easily use one tool, and you can easily copy format of this cell to other cell. Okay, that's the purpose of Format Painter. Okay, first select to apply this Format Painter. First you go to select the cell from which you want to use format. Okay, then you go to click on Format Painter, and then you go to select the cell. You can select one or more cell. Okay, I select this one, and yes, it is converted to this cell is converted to this cell format. Okay, format of this cell is copied to this cell. Okay, see here, I now copy to one or more. Okay, see here, yes, it's done. So in this way you can easily use Format Painter, painter option in your Excel sheet. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.